Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I study in 8th standard. Today's our topic is real interesting. So let's begin our today's video. So guys, today we are going to discuss on real interesting topic. So let's start about some uh, animals. So let's start. So guys, today we are going to see some facts about animals. So the first fact, which is of the tiger. So let's start. So guys, did you know about the tongue of tiger? How much rough it is? If tiger just like on your wall, so your wall color will be removed because the tongue of tiger is too much rough than your walls color paint or everything. So that's why the and tiger's tongues have like a rubber, and that's why it is too much rough than any surface. So after that, our next animal which we are going to talk about, the snake. So guys, we all of us knows a lot of type of snakes, but and one thing, the king cobra, we always knows about the king cobra. And guys, did you know how powerful king cobra is? So if king cobra likes to eat other snakes, it doesn't eat anything to remove, it only eats snakes and other snakes. So it has a poison in his body, and in one in only in one drop of poison, the man or human being can get died because of it. So in 30 seconds or in 1 minute, if you can't go to hospital, so you can die. So that's why the king cobra is too much powerful, and a lot of people afraid from it. But if you just do something to it, so it can just kill you, otherwise it doesn't hurt you. So after that, our next fact is also about snakes. So guys, did you know when snakes lay eggs, or then they can't leave there, or they just lay eggs and they just leave from there, because don't know, but why they leave? So they needs to their kids have to be independent, and they can't live on one place. If they live on one place, so they have to face human beings, and they have to get died on it. So that's why they can't live there, and they leave their eggs on that place where they have just lay eggs. So after that, our next fact is about lizard. So guys, we all of us knows the lizards are really weird looking, and we all of us, a lot of us people are afraid from a lizard, and that's why no one just like lizard. But really guys, some people like lizards, so they keep lizard as their pet animal also. So guys, did you know one thing? The lizard can walk everywhere, on your wall, on your floor, on your anything. Or they can also walk on rock, or in they can also walk in desert. So why they can walk? So on their hands or on their legs, they have the rough surface, and because of that they can walk on it, on the rough surface, or any smooth surface, or on the rock, or on in desert. So guys, after that, our next animal, which is the kangaroo rats. So guys, kangaroo rats are really new to here, but I have also told about kangaroo rats in my earlier videos. So guys, the new fact about kangaroo rats, which is they lives in desert, and we all of us knows about it. But they doesn't eat food for 5 or 4 years, or they can't drink water for 5 or 4 years. So they drink their water from their urine. So it's a new fact about kangaroo rat. After that, our next fact about is rabbit. Guys, we have seen rabbits, but they are really small in size. So that's why the rabbits are small in size. But guys, in Africa, you can see the rabbits the size of dogs. And in Africa there are a lot of animals, but there is a rabbit called the dragon sorry called the elephant rabbit. And they are really big in size. And they are the size of dog. At their height should be 1 or 2 or 3 feet, and the width should be 3 or 5 meter or inches. So they are really big in size as our dogs which we see in our areas. So this was some facts about the 5 different and new type of animal. If you like today's video, hit like to today's video and subscribe to the channel to watch videos like this. And thank you guys.